Welcome to Rome, the Eternal City, home to one of the most iconic and breathtaking landmarks in the world, the Colosseum. Today, we're diving into the rich history and fascinating facts surrounding this ancient amphitheater. So sit back, relax, and let's uncover 5 intriguing facts about the Colosseum. The Colosseum was not only a grand monument, but also an arena for epic battles known as gladiatorial battles. Skilled fighters, called gladiators, would engage in fierce combat, entertaining the crowds and fighting for glory and sometimes even for their freedom. It was a legendary place where myths were born and heroes were made. Can you imagine the adrenaline pumping through the veins of these warriors as they faced off against each other in front of thousands of spectators? Talk about edge-of-your-seat excitement. Did you know that the Colosseum in Rome had a seating capacity of up to 50,000 spectators? But here's the kicker, where you sat depended on your social status. The higher your rank was, the closer you were to the action. From senators and nobles to commoners, everyone had their designated section. This meant that the seating arrangements were based on social hierarchy. Picture the crowd filling these tiers, eagerly awaiting the unfolding spectacle. Did you know that the Colosseum had a secret network of trapdoors and elevators? This system was used to bring wild animals into the arena and also allowed for surprise attacks and scenic changes during performances. It was an ingenious invention that made the shows all the more dramatic. Talking about engineering marvels, the architects of the Colosseum were true visionaries who created an immersive experience for both performers and spectators. The Colosseum has had various functions throughout its history. It has been used for hosting gladiatorial contests, theatrical productions, workshops, and even served as a fortress during the Middle Ages. Its ability to adapt to different uses is a testament to the endurance of this ancient wonder. The Colosseum has stood the test of time, evolving with the changing tides of history while retaining its iconic allure. The Colosseum, despite enduring centuries of wear and tear, still stands proudly today. This is largely thanks to the ongoing restoration efforts of preservationists who work tirelessly to maintain this cultural treasure. Their hard work ensures that future generations can continue to marvel at the beauty and significance of the Colosseum. It's awe-inspiring to witness the dedication and passion behind these restoration projects, preserving a piece of history for generations to come. And there you have it, folks. 5 fascinating facts about the Colosseum. I hope you enjoyed our journey through this ancient wonder. Until next time, keep exploring and uncovering the secrets of the past. If you enjoyed uncovering the fascinating facts of the Colosseum, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more captivating explorations of historical wonders and exciting adventures.